QCoin, the people's exchange. The one exchange that's bringing you a unique opportunity of trading $1 a day. But before we get to this strategy, what is QCoin? QCoin is the #1 altcoin exchange with over 700 assets and over 1,200 trading pairs. QCoin currently provides spot trading, margin trading, peer-to-peer fiat trading, futures trading, staking and lending to over 18 million users in 207 countries and regions around the world. And according to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, QCoin is a top 5 exchange according to trading volume. But let's get to the back office and see what does QCoin offer. The first unique opportunity is the fact that you can deposit via Visa and MasterCard, or you can use a normal crypto wallet, but it just takes out that one additional step using your Visa or MasterCard if you don't have crypto as of yet. Through a multiple of different opportunities, the ones we're going to be looking at is trade. We're not going to do spot trading. We're not going to look at margin trading. We're going to look at the trading bot option. The moment you click on the trading bot option, it will bring you to this unique page, which shows your spot grid, futures grid, smart rebalance, DCA and infinity. And our unique opportunity lies within the DCA opportunity. On the right hand corner, you can click on classic version, and the moment you do that, it creates this page. QCoin's trading bot, 8.3 million bots created worldwide out of 18 million users. Currently, I have 9 different bots running. Spot grid, futures grid, rebalance, DCA or infinity. The one we're looking at is the DCA. When you click on create bot, it gives you unique opportunities. If we choose Shiba USD, you get the opportunity of which days or time frame you want to invest. The benefit of a DCA bot is not looking at the market conditions. It's a set time of investing. You're going to invest every hour or every 4 hours or every day or every week. We're going to put it on every day. Once a day we'll be investing starting right now, and you can choose your amount. And this is a unique feature. You can start with $1 a day. Which other trading option gives you the opportunity of trading $1 a day? You can put in a set amount of investment, and you get the advanced option where you can choose the moment your investment reaches a certain percentage of profit. You can either let it, once the target is reached, notify and continue to DCA, or once the target is reached, notify and sell all positions. My current settings is 50% profit, and once the target is reached, notify and sell all positions. The reason why I'm selling is to get my capital back, basically increasing my capital and giving me more opportunities to keep on DCA. Now we're going to go to running bots, because I already have bots running. As you can see, I got 3 DCA bots running. I got $4 invested in each of them, meaning it's day 4 since we started this strategy. Looking at the profits, my Shiba USD is currently up 1.79% profit. Another benefit is you can go and close this trade immediately by just clicking on the power button, and it gives you 3 different options. You can close it and get both coins, Shiba and USD. You can close it and just take your USD, or you can close it and you can just take your Shiba Inu. Click confirm and it will be back in your trading wallet. Now I have 2 more pairs, BNB USD, which is currently up 3.27%, and Ethereum USD, which is currently up 5%. There's a unique option. You can invest $1 a day, you don't need to do multiple different coins. You can just do one. Secondly, your funds are available at any time. Yes, if you sell in the red, you might take a loss, or you can wait for profit and sell. It puts you in full control of this kind of investment. I'm liking the DCA opportunity. What's your thoughts around it? Do you think it's a unique one? Will it benefit you? Do you like the fact that you can come in with a small amount? Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below in the comments. And if you haven't yet, smash that like and subscribe button. Let's keep on building this community and help everyone make some gains. Have a great one. Take care.